Hi there! Let's dive into a brand new pencil drawing tutorial. Today we are going to draw a tree with pencil. Let's start with something very simple, the silhouette of a tree trunk, like this. Okay, three main branches, and now we'll develop these parts. Okay, simple lines. This is a HB pencil. You have all materials in the description of this video, as always. And this is a beginner-friendly drawing part of my Learn to Draw from Scratch series. You'll find the full playlist link in the video description. Perfect if you want to learn to draw step by step completely free. Okay? You can see. Okay. We are drawing more and more branches. Okay. In the first video of this series, we learned how to draw a realistic tree with no leaves, just branches. But today, we are switching it up and drawing a tree with a full leafy crown. Okay. We'll sketch the silhouette of some main branches too, even if they get mostly covered later by the leaves. Okay, with some pencil strokes, we develop the silhouette. Okay, this first step is what we call a sketch or a rough draft. Every artistic drawing starts with one. It's loose, it's light, and it helps us map out the basic shapes before we go into detail. Don't worry if it is messy. Many parts of the sketch will be erased later, so make sure you are using an HB pencil. It makes soft lines and are easy to clean up. For this part of the leaves, we'll use, in this time, an 5B pencil, but if you don't have it, you have a 4B pencil or 6B pencil, it's useful too. Okay. The bigger number before the B, the softer and darker the pencil. This will help us add depths, shadows, and texture to bring the tree to life. Okay. And now, as you see, here's something fun. We are not going to draw every single leaf. Instead, we'll suggest the idea of leaves using scribbles and circular motions like you see. Okay? Changing the position or how I catch the pencil to draw different textures. It's a little bit of visual magic. Your brain fills in the details. This style is more expressive, almost painterly. It's not about copying reality line by line. It's about creating the illusion of it, like this branch. They are just lines, as you see, lines with just one pencil, but they appear like real branches. Okay, don't continue all the line, and now we fill it with scribbles, simulating leaves, as you see. I think this tutorial is very visual, but I'll continue to talk with you if you wish. If not, click on the silence button. To make your drawing more dynamic, try holding your pencil in different ways. Change the pressure, the angle, and the edge you're drawing with. These subtle changes can give your drawing a lot more personality. By the way, if you are enjoying the video so far, I love if you beat the like button. And if you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and do it now. It's totally free and it really helps the channel keep growing. Okay. Oh, and if I'm going a little fast because I have much practice, don't worry. You can always adjust the playback speed right in the YouTube settings to go slower or faster, whatever works best for you. Now, let's talk about shadows. Shading is what makes your drawing feel 3D instead of flat. So, place shadows correctly. Imagine where the light is coming from. In this drawing, we'll pretend the sun is shining from the top right, so the shadows will fall on the bottom left side of the tree. For this is what all part of this drawing is darker in the left and bottom part. Okay. This is a simple lining setup, and it works great for basic drawings like this one. Even the brightest parts of your drawing, like this part, should have a little tone. Nothing in real life is pure white unless it glows. Since we are drawing with pencil, we'll show those light and dark areas with different shades of gray. It's all about subtlety. And now, okay, we fill every part. As you see, I change how I take my pencil many times. Sometimes more flat, sometimes with a point. And it is always the same pencil. I have used in this drawing only 2 pencils, the HB for the first part, for the quick sketch, and now all this drawing is I'm using only the 5B pencil. And remember, if you don't have a 5B pencil, you can use a 6B pencil or 4B pencil. And if you don't have if you only have 1 pencil, use it. Don't stop of your drawing because you don't have a pencil. Okay, draw with what you have, where you are with what you have, and what you can. Okay, as I said before, in this part, even when it is in the light, we must give something to show it to the eye of the observer, okay? At this point, your drawing might look a bit rough or unfinished. That's totally normal. Nice when we add those little finishing touches. But, and this is an important rule, don't add detail everywhere. Okay, don't add detail everywhere. It is very important. Remember that. Focus on just a few key spots. Like areas with strong light or high contrast. There you must work harder. In darker areas, don't overdo it. Our eyes don't see much detail in shadows anyway, right? Okay. If you draw over some parts you have drawn before, you achieve darker tones. And always use variations of pressure of your pencil on the paper. Okay, some leaves here. I have drawn almost one non-leaf. All I suggest them. I don't know if you understand me. I suggest leaves. Don't draw leaves. This is the magic part of a drawing. The funny part of a drawing. Suggest. Some things appear magically in front of you. Okay. Now, this part, don't let your tree be flying on the sky. Put some ground and weeds and the shadow of your tree. This gives to your drawing more reality. Because if something projects some shadows over other things, automatically you see it more realistic. Suggest some roots, as you see. And we are in the final part of our drawing. I hope you like this kind of tutorials, more slow, not quick, so you can draw it and enjoy drawing. We have enough hurry now. Drawing is to be relaxed, okay? Now draw and the horizon. And I think it is finished. What do you think? Do you like it? I hope you'll see you soon. Be happy and draw a lot. Bye!